This is the Nikon COOLPIX P900. It is Nikon's biggest super zoom and includes the world's most extensive zoom range with up to 83 times magnification. 83 times sounds like a lot because it is. It reaches from the usefully wide 24mm equivalent to the almost incomprehensible 2000mm equivalent. And thanks to impressively effective image stabilization, that range is genuinely usable. Keen photographers may be disappointed by the camera's inability to capture RAW files, but the P900 still has an awful lot going for it. It's got both an electronic viewfinder for shooting in bright light and a flip-out screen for shooting from high or low angles. Add to this full HD video capability and GPS to make managing your images easier, and you've got probably the most flexible all-in-one travel camera there's ever been.